So how to make BTS off by default in BeReal. So as you can see, I just opened my BeReal app and I have BTS off. So it can be like super straightforward for most of people, but in case you are struggling, yep, you have BTS on by default when you just updated your BeReal app and you have this new feature. But what you need to do, just tap on it and there you have it, it will be off. And the cool thing about BeReal is it remembers it, and every time then you restart your BeReal app or close it up and open up again, it will be always BTS off from now on by default. So that can be quite handy. You know, not a lot of people like this feature. Some people think it's too much privacy to give away with this BTS on videos. So yeah, that's just what it is. It's not in the settings anywhere. I thought it is somewhere toggle in the settings. Nope, this is just BTS off. Just tap on it once and then it will be off all the time when you try to take a BeReal. So hope that saved you some time. If it was helpful, please put a like, please subscribe so more people can discover this tutorial.